Your worship facility is more than just a building. It's a sacred physical space. Maintaining it requires careful planning. For almost 40 years, our reserve studies have helped ministries avoid facility surprises that come from predictable repairs and replacements.
Our detailed site inspections cover every aspect of your property, including the roof, the basement, the parking lot, and major mechanical systems. We ensure that nothing is overlooked. With a clear financial roadmap in hand, we help you anticipate and responsibly prepare for major repairs and replacements that are both inevitable and predictable. A reserve study will empower you to focus on what truly matters, providing a welcoming, safe, and inspiring environment for your faith community.
With our expertise, your temple, church, mosque, or synagogue will remain a beacon of hope and faith for decades to come. Safeguard your sacred space with a professional reserve study by Association Reserves. Visit reservestudy.com today.